Are you seeking a peaceful retreat or winter getaway without stairs? You just found it. Overlooking the beautiful Rockledge Country Club golf course and shaded by 100-year-old oaks, this roomy first-floor unit offers lots of light and an open-concept floor plan. A nicely updated kitchen makes meal prep a breeze. The spacious back porch provides for comfy relaxation and a view of golfers nearby. Enjoy a swim now and then? There's a beautiful pool but no other expensive amenities, keeping fees low. Pets are welcome and dogs have their own walking area. The roof is new as of 20XX, and no special assessments are planned. Enjoy shopping, fine dining and entertainment in Cocoa Village or the Avenue, Vieira, both just minutes away. Hit a bucket of balls or play the course as a non-member at the club next door or choose from a range of membership levels. Most major employers are within a short commute. And Orlando International, gateway to the world, is less than 1 hour's drive.